Hello, everyone. Quick update regarding the Intranet Build Toolkit. As you know, Microsoft 365 is awesome because you always have the latest and greatest version of everything. It's software as a service. It's running on someone else's server, not my own, Microsoft's. So they upgrade things from time to time. A lot of those upgrades are security related. Well, one of them has affected us. Yes, you, the people that have purchased the Intranet Build Toolkit book and all the wonderful online resources that it comes with the downloadable templates and the online tools like the suggestion box and the policy manual and all that good stuff. So in the book, whether it's the PDF version or the paperback on Amazon, there's a section that says access to online resources, and it says log in with this dear reader, this guest user. Well, we can't do that anymore. Microsoft 365 is enforcing MFA, multi-factor authentication, where it's going to send you a text and say, what's the code, or open up your Authenticator app. Well, each of you are individuals. Each of you have separate apps and separate text messages. So I've had to find another way to do this. And I've just finished uploading an updated version of the book that has the correct login methodology. And it looks something like this. So now when you log in, you'll go to this form, Microsoft Forms form, and all it's prompting you for is your email address, where you purchased the toolkit, and if you want to put the date in, anything else, feel free. When you submit, it sends me an approval message through Power Automate Flow, and then I will accept that. I'll look at it and I'll just say sure, and then it'll prompt you. It'll send you a guest invitation, and it will look something like this, and you will accept that invitation. Then the flow will continue. It will add you as a site member to the site, and you'll get this confirmation message saying that you now have access. So send me an email at jerry@lightlever.ca, and I will get you access. I'll send you that form and you'll get access. And if you want an updated copy of the book in PDF form, I will include that as well. So just put that in the comments in the form and you'll be good to go. So just for the fun of it, let's also take a look at, while we're here, what this site looks like. So this is the Intranet Build Toolkit site that you get access to with the book. So notice there's a template section here. If I see all, these are the various templates that are provided in the book and referred to in our SharePoint in Practice Intranet Build, the toolkit, as well as the SharePoint in Practice book. Things like presentations, here's a training for your executives, here's the Intranet design document, which is really important. You've got site administrator training, all of these other templates. Now this one here, Intranet Build Toolkit, all templates, that's a zip file. So if you want to download all of the templates in one file, you can do that. I was using this one recently, the communication plan, really powerful. Here's a meeting invitation, a meeting agenda, content migration checklist if you're migrating content. Lots of different templates here for you, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. And under the Tools menu, these are all the tools numbered based on where they fall into the Intranet Build Toolkit, the 10 different tools that are listed. And it gives you the ability to go in and view that tool. So the toolkit tells you how to build it. And this is the working version of it. Oh, there's a new time entry. There we go, da, da, da. So you actually use it as a member on this site and get a sense of it. And sometimes people are using that to demonstrate to others, say, hey there, team, I want to build a policy manual. And it's going to look something like this. So you can actually show very quickly and easily, you can show your decision makers or your team what it's going to look like. So send me an email if you want to get access to this site. It is included with the SharePoint and Practice Toolkit book, so I'm not giving it to everyone. It's only if you've purchased the book. And feel free to purchase the book. You'll get the latest version now. It's available on the lightlever.ca website or through Amazon. All right, looking forward to hearing from you. Let me know how that toolkit's working for you. And if you're using the SharePoint and Practice Intranet Build Guide as well, alongside the toolkit. Curious about that. All right, thanks all. Bye for now.